Let's walk in here, the first building. Okay, you see the ceilings. That was a good long truck. There's a refrigeration compressor there. And I don't know if these are Grolsch or anything, but I've had a few similar bottles of beer. Ooh, string beans. Legend of Total Wreck Townsite. Oh, what's this? Looks like a jack. Oh, it was a gasoline pump. Standard. Okay, there's a nice old fireplace, a closet, corner cabinet, armoire, whatever you want to call it, jeans jacket, 1880s reproduction shirt, Batwing chaps, very stylish. Okay, you can pause if you want to read that. $25,000 cattle on this ranch in the early 1900s. That is quite something. Without cowboys, the ranch would not be. Excuse me, I'm just kind of adjusting my tripod. Get better angles here. And again, you can pause it if you want to read it. So there's a little bed. Looks comfy. We are in this room. We just saw that room. Okay. Okay, let's go into the next room. Oh, there you go. Here's the Bathroom inoperable. Please don't use. Sink, shower. There you go. Just for kicks. Well, looks like some either steel or ABS without looking closer at it. This here is ABS here, so it's a newer pipe. Yeah, going into 2-inch galvanized, and then galvanized supply lines. Okay. All right. Well, this is cool. Veterinary syringes. Okay, that does not look comfortable. I don't know if the lights work or not. No, no lights. Cowboy carrier for tools and stuff. Looks like a boot. There's a post hole digger. Barbed wire pliers. Branding iron. That might be the ER Emerald Ranch. See how you can kind of see a E and an R on it. Okay. And there's some spurs in there. There's a picture book that you could look at if you wanted to. Here's the view. See how thick these walls are. And just look at how thick this is. See, it is from my elbow to the tip of my fingers thick. And then beyond that, a couple more inches. There's where the old light was. At least you know it's got updated wiring. NM wiring, of course it's surface mount, so that would not meet code. All right. Oh, it's a meat cooler. Okay. Freshly butchered meat except in summer. Cows were slaughtered and butchered on location away from the ranch house. Quarters of beef wrapped first in blankets and then tarps were laid on the floor of the cooler. Interesting. All right, let's go see what's in door number 4. Okay, well, here is obviously a cooler. And it even does feel cool in here. Okay. Looks like a butcher block. Yeah, big butcher's table. That's a big one. ranch kitchen. This would have been a personal favorite for me. Looks like the plumbing has been undone. It's probably usable. Septic system out here just needs to be cleaned up and brought up to date. Nice little pantry there. This, I think, was for flour. And there's a sifter to crank it out there. Or maybe it was for coffee. No, that's a flour sifter. That's cool. Waffle maker. I've got one just like that. My mother's. And I like these spices. Ben-Hur. That'd be cool to find some Ben-Hur spice. I'll have to look up on the internet, see if that's still a thing. And some enameled cookware. Sugar, tea, coffee. Baking dish. Roasting pot. And a smaller one. Very nice. Okay, what do we got here? This is the foreman's quarters. Okay, that room is closed. Okay. What? Yeah. What? All of them. What do we got here? Okay, that's the office. There's a little typewriter there. Can't tell if that's a safe there or what. Have to go to that from the other side, I believe. This is like a little corral area. Hard lighting conditions. Okay, so in the laundry room, there's your wheels for squeezing the water out of your laundry. 2 wheels there, just rolling together, laundry rollers. New electrical, 200 amp panel, and a concrete laundry tub. It's a nice little apartment stove. Steel top sink.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
Good. Are you a caretaker or just another visitor?
Just a visitor.
Okay. Okay. Are you German?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Your English is very good, but I could hear just a little bit. What part are you from?
From southern Germany.
Southern Germany?
Yeah.
Okay.
You are professional.
Oh, no. I'm Jeff. Nice to meet you.
Excellent.
Yeah, no, I just, we're, okay, so that was cool. I just talked to a couple of German brothers, and very nice guys. They may actually be staying in the campground down the road here tonight. And so, yeah, here's the, I guess, a pantry area. There's the water heater there. There might have been like a wood stove or an oil stove that sat here to keep this area warm. There's a little thing here. What does it say? A cabbage cutter. Okay. And there's like a milk urn, a couple of milk urns. Okay. So here we have a little stone fireplace there. Let me check, I think oh yeah, my gain is way up on this. Okay, so yeah, there's the fireplace and a little chair, table, clock.
You could donate your mom's blue chair and couch, it fits right in.
Yeah, chair like that, a little dilapidated. There's a mannequin for, I don't know if somebody was making a jacket there. Here's a nice desk. And what are these?
That's some good reading.
Historical tales. Interesting. Okay. So there's the Bible, lamp, magazine holder, rocker, and a coat tree. I always liked having a coat tree. And there you see the ceiling. It's a log ceiling with other cut log above it. Okay. Let's go out into the living room. But yeah, it's got a nice kitchen. Nice kitchen.
I'm just amazed at all the stuff they used to decorate it.
Well, I think this is the new farmhouse. So you've got,
This was built in 1878 to 81.
yeah. So there's their china. Nice stuff. And they've got their 4 settings of
It's probably their house.
dinnerware. Mm-hmm. There's a heater. And look at the view.
Nice dining room.
Quite the view. Okay. Let's see what this is. I think it's just like a music room. Ooh, look at that. An old rotary phone, dial phone. Display case. And that is Pancho Buis, the last owner of the ranch. And there's a plate for them, December 27, 1948. Pretty cool. Boots, hat, champagne glasses. Chickering Brothers piano. There you go. I wonder how the sound is. It needs help. So here are some of the dolls they had. Very cool. Probably not going to be able to see very well in there. Let me crank the gain way up. Yeah, all you see is me. Nobody wants to see me. And there's some more kids' toys. So I'm assuming this was like the kids' playroom. And here we are looking out into the corrals. More kids' play stuff. Tinker Toys, that was a favorite. Letter blocks. Very cool. So here we've got a bathtub. So it's cast iron. I don't think it's enamel though. I think it's just painted. Sink. Candle holder. And Singer sewing machine. I've got one similar to that. Oh, look at that. Gloves and necklace. I wonder if that was a wedding gown. There's a corset. Bed pot. There's a nightgown. And here's a little Harvard Classics. Okay, so these are literary classics. A window looking down into this here little open, well, it's a sunroom.
I like all the built-in cabinetry.
Yeah, trikes.
All the fun little rooms.
Oh yeah, the dolls are pretty cool.
Some are totally good.
Mm-hmm. Well, I have checked it out. I won't push my luck. So there you go.
I shall have to rely on your video game now because
A gramophone.
as for my girls, I'll raise them to think they can breathe fire.
What is the Buffalo Boy 60 round the outside? YouTube that. She looks like a Darien woman. I don't know if that was a Harley or an Indian. And don't know who she is.
Some of the people lived here. Margaret, Mary.
They're fancy schmancy. Okay. Well, what's in this room? This is like a living room.
Bathroom.
Nice big fireplace here.
Not a nice stone fireplace. Here's the walking floor with it.
So there's the trail we took earlier was down through the green fence there and around behind that building and those trees, and then came up by the bathroom over there.
So that's the dining room house.
Mm-hmm.
That's the dining room house.
Mm-hmm.
Where are they living now?
Let me see here, the other room over here. Oh, there you go, a nice Persian rug. And some figurines. A nice pedestal sink. Cast iron bathtub. Looks like the floor was designed to drain. Change of clothes, briefcase. And the old commode. Oops. Okay. Okay, we're going to go step out onto the porch. And this is their view from the porch. And I think I will invite myself to bide a wee. Bide a wee is either Irish or Scottish term. No offense of one to the other, or vice versa. I know that both were born with opinions, was it the Irish or was it the Scottish are born with an opinion. I hope I'm not going to get myself in trouble. Anyway, this is the view from their porch. How would you like that? Just beautiful. Okay, I am going to sit here for a few minutes and relax and enjoy it and not do any video.